Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And Google has released another version of Nano Banana, that is Nano Banana 2 Lite, our fastest, most cost-efficient Gemini image model, alongside Gemini Omni Flash that I've already demonstrated in the previous video, built with our generative media models. As you can see, introducing Nano Banana 2 Lite. It is available on Google AI Studio, Gemini API, and Gemini Enterprise Agent platform. It is also rolling out to Google consumer services, including AI mode in search, Gemini app, and many other products too. Nano Banana Lite, our fastest, most cost-efficient Gemini image model. How many animals can you generate in 1 minute? As you can see, Nanogram 2, Nanogram 2 Lite. Just see, it is able to generate so many animals. This is crazy. What side-by-side comparison of image generation speed and quality between Nano Banana 2 Lite and Nano Banana 2 using a single prompt? I think Nano Banana 2 Lite is not just light but great in quality also. Image generation and image editing versus latency and price. If you look at image generation ELO score, Nano Banana 2 Lite, this one, this part, let me zoom it a bit, is almost at par with Nano Banana 2. In image editing also the model is quite good, but look at latency per 1K resolution image. It's 4 seconds only. That's crazy. Lower is better. Pricing also it's very low, and given the scores, I think it is at par with the Nano Banana 2 model also. Performance benchmarks for Nano Banana 2 and 2 Lite compared for competitor AI models. Nano Banana 2 shines in latency, delivers text to image outputs in 4 seconds. That's crazy speed and cost efficient. About $0.034 per 1K images. This is crazy number, I would say. Despite prioritizing speed, Nano Banana 2 Lite retains reliable prompt adherence. If you can look at this, latency, cost, visual quality, and reasoning. 2 Lite visual quality is quite good compared to Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 also. As you can see, these are all the now image generation models under Google's hood. Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite Image, Gemini 3.1 Flash Image, Gemini 3 Pro Image, and Gemini 2.5 Flash Image also. As you can see, you can click on the docs here. The model is available everywhere. So let me check out where you can use it as well. I'm clicking on Google Studio. General images, Nano Banana Lite. Let me give it a prompt. Let's test it out how good the model is. A panther shaking hands in wet snow with a human. Photo realistic. Let me try it out what it is able to generate. The model is thinking now. Temperature is 1, resolution is 1K. Quite a good video or quite a good image as you can see. Google AI models may make mistakes or double check the outputs. Crazy quality, I would say. It's 1K in resolution and this looks to be hyper realistic, I would be saying that. Let me add something else. Dinosaurs eating ice cream. Again, photorealistic. Let me see what it's done this time. This would be interesting to watch. Want to start thinking again. And here dinosaurs eat very good, I would say. I just can't believe the quality of the output. And my friends, this is gonna be a crazy ride. Let's test out some text rendering now. YouTube thumbnail title: How I took a plane in $1. Let me see what it generates in this one. Plane $1. So I want to check the text rendering capabilities of the model as well. And let's look at it, how good the model is. How I took a plane. I think it makes the first image in this one, but it's still fine. How I took a plane in $1. Text rendering looks to be a little problematic. Dollar has come in like this, but still the model is quite good. Worth trying out, I would say. And yes, to try out the model, you can change the resolution from here, aspect ratio also, temperature also. So what are you waiting for to try out the model? Google Nano Banana 2 Lite is here. Thank you so much.